Hi everybody. So we are live. We are just pinning the number and we'll start in about 5 minutes. Let everybody join in. Please let us know if we are clear and audible and the light is good. I can see a few people have joined. Hey everyone. So am I clear and audible to you? I see a few people have joined, but I shall not be able to see the comments because the tripod is a bit far away from me. Just give us a thumbs up so that we can start. Yeah, so let's start. Welcome to the first live showcase of Baby Bliss on the Elite Group of Sisterhood. Before starting, I would like to thank Annie and Urge for the constant support, for the constant motivation in boosting our confidence to do these lives in such tough times. I hope you are safe and you're not going out because the times are really bad now. So I would like to also take this opportunity to thank each and every person in this group to inspire me to be where I am today. This is such a positive group and I have met a lot of new people here, made a lot of good friends also. So today's live showcase is more of introducing our products because we have a wide range of options and wide range of products for newborn babies. So showing everything and all designs and all sizes is not possible. So we have handpicked a few products just to introduce them and how to use them also. So many a times it happens that people are not aware that what products are available in the market, especially for newborn new mommies. So this is what we'll be showcasing more in the live today. So let's get started. I would like to start with the blankets first. So the blankets can be used by newborns up to around 18 months, a few pieces. Some pieces are in bigger size also, which can be used up to 4 years. So I'll show the first one. The first one it's a quite huge blanket. It's a Mickey Mouse print in blue color. This can be used almost for 4 years. Can you see the size? I'll just show you. This is quite big. So this is the size. The price of this is 699 rupees. And we have many prints, many color options in this. We also make hampers. So for newborn gifting, we have a lot of variety. You can pick from those options also. And we also give customization. So whichever product you like, you can pick the products and we can pack them for you in either in a cake style, in a basket style, or whichever option which you prefer. So we also cater to your requirements as per your budget. So it's not that the hampers are prefixed, you can customize it. The next blanket I'm going to show you is more of a winter blanket. It's quite premium quality. The price of this is 799. The size of the blanket is a newborn size and it can be used up to around 1.5 years to 2 years. So we have colors in this as well. This is a brown color. We have a blue color, a green, a yellow also. There's a very cute print on this blanket. I hope it's clear for you and you can see it. This is how the blanket is. These are quite premium blankets and very good for gifting. So even if you give this individually also, it will be a very good gift for the newborn baby. The next I'm going to show you is a blanket again. This can be used around 2 years, I suppose. So this is the print. It has an embroidery and a cute giraffe patch on it. This is the back side. The quality of this product is very nice. The blanket is quite soft. The stitching is quite elegant and it's very cute. If you want, you can add a name here also. We can get it embroidered for you. So the customization will be charged extra. We have colors in this. I think we have a pink and a yellow and a green also. The price of this one is 1499. The next blanket is also in the similar type, but the fabric is different. This is how it looks. This one is for 1499 and it has a cute crocodile print on it. It's all embroidered. I can come closer to show it to you. We can add name on this as well. Since the blanket is quite plain, we can add details on this. We can embroidery it for you. The price of this blanket is also 1499. The next one I'm going to show you is for 750. Again, a newborn size, can be used up to 2 years. This is in a print. We have many prints available in this. I've just picked a few samples to show you. This is how the blanket looks. It's a fish print. It's very soft material. This is how the back side is. This one is for 750. Yeah, this is for 750. So all these are very good options for gifting. It has an embroidered patch also. It's a fish patch. I hope you can see it. I'll just show you a closer look. This is how it looks. The next one I'm going to show you is, it's a pillow and a blanket set. This is the pillow. We can put a name here in case you want to get it customized. This is how the blanket looks. It's pink in color with this cute little kitty on it. I have a blue color also in this and a lemon yellow color. This patch might change, the designs might change, but the fabric is very nice. If you can see, I'll give you a closer look of the patch as well. I hope it's clear. Thank you everyone for joining. I'm not able to see the comments. I'm so sorry about it. But I shall reply to each one of you post the live is over. This one is for 2499. This is along with a pillow. This is a very good gifting option as well. So I think I'm done with the winter blankets. I'll start with the next product. This is a carry cot. So carry cot is usually used from 0 to 6 months. Post that the baby doesn't fit in this. But this is not a waste product. Post that you can use it as a mattress. So when it's open, it is seen like this. So you can place it in a crib or a cradle or a rocker. So it's a multi-purpose product. But initially, to use this carry cot, there are zips provided here. And you can convert it easily. So this is how it's done. I'll place the baby also. So I would like you to meet a new model. We've not named him as yet, but I'm going to use him a lot to show the products. So I'll just place the baby inside. This is how it's going to look. This is how you carry the baby. You know, it's very hassle free and the baby is also safe. I can show it to you in a closer look. This is how. And while traveling, you know, it's very easy. The baby can sleep also in this very easily. This is for $7.95. I have a lot of colors, lot of prints available in this. This is how the backside looks like. This is a very useful product and it's a must-have. And you can use it daily also to make the baby sleep. This is how the baby can sleep in the mattress. And you can just place this up in case you want to. So whichever products you like, please take a screenshot of that and I shall, you know, send you the options in prints and colors for the same. The next I'm going to show you is, this is a mosquito net cum baby bedding. This is how the packing comes. So you know it's easier for you to carry when you're traveling also. It doesn't take much of space. I'll open one piece for you. The quality is very good. The cushioning used is very good. The fabric used is very good. So you know you get cheaper options in this as well. But I can really say that the quality might not be that good. And you know we aim at, you know, giving good products in a reasonable price. This comes with a pillow and this is the mosquito net. This is how it will look. I have many print options available in this. I'll show you how it looks with the baby also. This can be used up to 18 months. And since it has a mosquito net, you know, it's very easier for you to carry it. This is how it's going to look. I hope it's visible for you. We have many colors, pink, blue, yellow, red, whichever your preference is. I can share you the options, the print options, and you can pick. The price of this bedding is 1250. Shipping is going to be extra because these are quite bulky products. So shipping is always going to be extra. The next I'm going to show you is a mattress again. But this doesn't have a mosquito net. These are more used to, you know, place it in the crib or a cradle. These come with 2 bolsters and 1 pillow. This is how the mattress looks like. I have many prints in this as well. This is also a very good quality product. The finishing is very nice. They have given nice frill. They have given laces to tie these bolsters. I'll show you. This is how you can tie it. If you don't require the bolsters, you can just remove them. And this is the pillow. This is how the baby can use the mattress. I hope it's clear and visible. Should I show it to you closely? Yeah, thank you. The price of this is $9.49. Please take a screenshot if you like this and I can share prints with you. This is also very good for gifting because it's very useful. This is also foldable and you can pack it easily in the packet provided and it will not take much of space. Then next I am going to show you is a baby wrapper. So baby wrappers come in 2 versions, either in a winter version or a summer version. I'll be showing you a winter version also and a summer version also. For winters, there is light cushioning provided, so you know it keeps the baby warm. This is the winter one. This is how the inside looks like. It has a hoodie. This is how the print is from outside. So this is the outside part and this is the inside part. This is how you can wrap the baby. It has been provided with a velcro also, so that it doesn't move. This is how it's going to look. I hope it's clear. And this is how you can lift the baby. So it keeps it secure also. The price of this one is 607 rupees. If you don't want the cushioning for these wrappers, I have those options as well. I'll show you as in when I proceed. These are more useful in the winters or even in the rainy season. Since you know there's no particular season left now. It's raining anytime, anywhere. So it's better you have it handy with you. The next product I'm going to show you is a head shaping pillow. We call it as a mustard pillow also. The pillow is made using mustards. As in when you place the baby, this is going to take the shape of the baby. So sometimes it happens that baby sleeps in a position for a longer time and you know the shape of the head changes accordingly. So to avoid that, this is what you can use. So every time you make the baby sleep on the bed or in the cradle, you should use this. It is really very useful. So this is how it fits. I hope you can see. This can be used up to 1 year easily. The price of this head shaping pillow is rupees 250. I have many prints in this as well. So you can match it with the mattress that you are using or any other color if you want, your color preference. I can provide this as well. The next I'm going to show is, so the most important, you need to keep your baby engaged. So we have stocked a lot of range of rattles. This one is for 399. It is around 10 pieces set. This is the sound that will make. So rattles is very important for the baby. There are a few options in teether also there. So we have rattles and teethers as well. This is another one. This is an animal set. This is the noise that it makes. And this can be used as a bath set also. So while having a bath, these easily float on the water. So they are called as a bath set also. You can teach them to recognize animals using this. So we have fruits option also in this. The price of this one, animal one, is 299. The fruit set is for 349. This is a duck set. This is also a bath set. The price of this is 275. There are 6 ducks in this. This is more of a rattle cum teether. This is in pastel shades. This is very rare, You usually don't get pastel shades in rattles. The price of this is 399. There's another one. This is how it looks. This one is for 299. So I have uploaded all my rattle videos and pictures on my Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram also and on Facebook also. We keep uploading all the new products, all the new arrivals, all the options available on our account. This is a 14-piece set of animals. This is for 350. This is another rattle set, around 10-piece set. This one is for 399. So you'll get a wide range of rattles. This is a tub bath set also. You can fill this in water, and when you press this, there's a shower provided, a mini shower, and the water comes out of this nozzle. So even this is very nice option for the babies to play. This is for 450. We can also make a hamper using this rattles. So you can make an entire set of rattles and gift it. Even that looks really nice when you gift a newborn baby. This can be used as a teether. They are BPA free, and they are extremely safe for the baby to chew also. The next important product that I wanted to show is lumbots. So I get a lot of inquiries asking that, is cloth diapering good? What are the options for cloth diapering? Are lumbots also a good option? So here's my suggestion for every one of you. I'll show you a langot that I have. This is in small size. I have sizes in this from newborn to I think XL. So this has a liner inside. It's extremely good quality, very fine fabric, very soft. The price of this is 110 rupees. There's another one that comes with a velcro. The one which I showed you was with strings. The other one which I'm going to show you is with velcro. So this is, it looks like a diaper though it's a langot. This is a newborn size. This is how the back side looks, and it has a stitched liner. This one is for 115. So as in the sizes differ, the prices might differ a bit. 10 rupees extra for each size as you go forward. There's another one which you can use if you're not very comfortable with the cloth diapers. This is a resin kind of a thing. It has a resin inside. It has these two loops. You can place liners here. The back side is cloth. So what you can do is, I'll just show you. This is how you can fix the lumber. So this is how you can wear the velcro langot. Can you see it? Yeah. And this is the resin. This is the resin. You have to place a liner or a cloth also if you have. We call it dupta in Marathi. I'm not sure what you call that in Hindi. But you can place liners also. And then you can simply add this layer on the langot. So you know when the baby pees, it secures it. It doesn't come out. And it will not wet the bed sheet or the resin below. So this is much economical option, and this is washable. The resin I have used is washable. The langot of course is washable. So this is a very good option in case you are not very fond of cloth diapering because it has thick layers. So this will give you a better security also, and the baby is also comfortable, and it will firstly give mobility to the baby. So once the baby is 3 months old, it will start rolling over, and they'll start crawling also in a few months. So if with this product, yes, they can easily crawl, and the pee will not spread everywhere. So this is also a very good option. The price of the resin is 110. I have sizes available to double XL in these ones. Langots, of course, yes, I have sizes available. The next option in langots is the regular langots. This come in a pack of 12. This is 210 for 12 pieces. This is in cotton. It's the same shape that I have shown you. It's the same shape, only the fabrics is different. So the pricing depends on the fabric and the liner. If the liner is not there, the price is much lower, much cheaper. There's another quality in this. These are also regular langots. These are made of hosiery cotton. So this one is for 310 for 12. Since there are many who like to use cloth diapers also, so we have cloth diaper as well. The price of this is 5.99. The quality is really good. This comes in one size, so from newborn up to around 2 years you can use this. This is how the front looks like. This is the inside, and this is the liner. So this liner can be placed in the resin langot that I have shown you. This is how you need to insert it in the cloth diaper. I think it can suck up to 2 peas, but later on this also spills. Sometimes the urine comes out also. So you need to check. So it's not that the Pampers or diapers that we used. This is similar to Langot, yes, but you need to check it every now and then. And it has buttons. It has buttons so that you can adjust it according to the waist of the baby. This is how you can wear it. So we have many prints also in this. I have placed a few here. This is one print. This is another one. These are all unisex prints. So you can easily use it for babies. The price of this is $5.99. The next I want to show is this is a summer blanket. Very good for summers since it's really very hot these days. This can be used up to around 4 years. This is the print. I hope you can see. This is made of bamboo cotton. If you can see, it is very soft. This is the print. This is the inside. It's plain. It's made of pure muslin, pure bamboo cotton. It's very soft. The price of this is 1800 rupees. I have a few prints available in this. I hope it's clear. This is one more print. I have 2 or 3 more prints available in this. These are very good for gifting also. I'm sure the mummy is going to remember you forever for gifting her this. The baby is going to really sleep peacefully in these blankets. It's very nice. The next I wanted to show is swaddles. So swaddles we have in 3 categories: pure cotton, malmal cotton and muslin. First I'm going to show is malmal cotton. It's extremely lightweight, extremely soft, and as and when you wash it, it will become more softer. This is the print. This is pink in color. I have few colors in this and few prints also. The price of this is 200. I wanted to show how to swaddle a baby also, since many of them don't know what a swaddle exactly is. I'll just place it here. Can you hold the camera? You need to fold this. You need to put the baby's hands inside so that it doesn't move. So once you bathe the baby, this is how you need to do it. So you can easily swaddle a newborn baby in this swaddle. It's quite big enough. And this is how you can swaddle it. So the baby is going to sleep really peacefully once you do that. Generally, after having a bath, you need to swaddle the baby. There are scientific reasons also for this. It's very useful. So this was in malmal cotton. The price is 200 rupees. I can share print options in these. I'll show colors also. I have a yellow. I have a blue. So if you are purchasing swaddles before the baby is born, you can always go for a unisex color. And if you know the sex of the baby, you can either pick pink or blue. Usually they are made in these colors only. The next I'm going to show you is in cotton. I'm so sorry. The cotton ones are for 150. You need to wash them before you start using them because they are quite hard at the moment. But once you wash it, yes, it will get softer. So this is a polka dot print. It's the same size as mull cotton, but this is pure cotton. This one is for 150. I have colors in this: a blue, a orange, and a pink. Price is 150. Since muslin is in lot of demand, we have stock muslin ones also. This is how it looks. It's in pink color. I have a blue color and a yellow color in this. The price of the muslin one is 450 rupees. It's extremely good quality muslin and it's very soft. See. So swaddles is also one important product that you need to keep with you. Muslin, I have one more. This is a double layered muslin. The price of this is 650. This can be used as a doher also for the baby in summers. So if you don't want to swaddle the baby, you can simply use it as a blanket as well. So this is also very good quality, very soft, and it has a lining inside. This is how it looks. We have colors in this: blue, pink, yellow. The price of this is 650 rupees. We have newborn vests also. We have them in hosiery cotton, then malmal cotton, and also in muslin. The one I am showing is in hosiery cotton. The price of this is 110. We have many print options available in this. So on your color preference, you can just ping me and I can share the options in these. These ones are in mull cotton. They are plain and there's embroidery done here in all cartoon prints. The price of this is 80 rupees, the one in mull cotton. Since it's summers now, we have spaghetti vests also. These are again unisex. The price of these ones is 100. This is in pure cotton and you simply need to tie this. Easy to wear. We have cotton frocks also available in size 0 to 3 months and for newborn size also. So this is pure cotton. We have colors in this. These are in muslin. The muslin ones are for 150 rupees. This is how they look. Again, we have many options, many prints. Please ping us so that we can share all the available options. This is cotton bundies. These are 150 each. We have sizes from S to XL. XL is around 12 to 18 months. So these are very good for summers. This is how it looks. It is front open. We have socks also available from newborn to size 3 months. These can be used up to 9 months. These are pair of 2, 750 rupees for pair of 2. These are extremely good quality and they are anti-skid. If you can see this, they are anti-skid. We have a wide range of bibs. The bibs are from around 60 rupees to 75 rupees. There are resins attached to it so that it's easier to wash. The back side is resin and the front side is a fabric. So many color options available in this as well. This is another one for a bigger size with cute frill. Many color options available in this as well. If you want a resin kind of a material also without the fabric, it's a full size bib. This is how you can wear it. And it's very easy to wash. This is a bit bigger for this size baby, but you can easily use it up to 1 year. And it has a pocket, so if the food spills, it is going to fall in this pocket. So it's easy to clean also and mess free. We also have towels. These are the towels. The bibs are differently priced. Some are 250, some are in 100. Yes, we have baby boy dresses also. Just ping me on my number and I can share that. This is the towel. This is the hoodie. This is how you can use it. You need to simply wrap the baby in this once the baby takes the bath, and you can carry it. It's easier. Until you start wiping the baby, the water is already soaked in the towel. The towels are extremely good quality. The price of the towels is 299, 290, 310 depending on the fabric and the pattern you choose. This is another premium towel. It's in polka dots. This is a new arrival. This is how it looks. This is the back side. This one is for 500 rupees. We have summer sheets also for the baby. You can swaddle the baby in this. You can also use it as a blanket. So this is how it looks. It has cute frills. It's in unicorn print. The price of this is 380. There are many prints and options available in this, ranging from 200 to 300. This one is in lining. This is how it looks. I'm going to show you some resins also. This comes in a pack of 3. The price of this is 699 rupees. This is how the resin is. It has buttons behind and they have provided a resin. So if one sheet gets wet, you need to remove the resin and attach to the other sheet. It comes with a soft cushioning also. So the baby can easily sleep on this. I'll show you. This is how you can use it. You know, when people come to meet your baby also, you know, you can carry and you can just, it's handy also. And not many are well versed to carry a newborn baby. So, you know, it secures the neck also of the baby. I wanted to show the summer wraps also. There's no cushioning for these wraps. This is for 300 rupees. It's plain inside and printed outside. Again, it has a hoodie. I hope it's clear and you can see. We have baby caps as well. I'll show how it fits the baby. These are very good fitting wise. This is how it looks like. This one is for 60 rupees. We have bunny caps also. So a lot of options are there in caps. There's a resin. It has a soft material on the top. So you know what happens is when you use resins, you need to put a bed sheet on this. These resins, you need not put a bed sheet. You can directly make the baby sleep on this. So it can be a mattress protector also. This is an extra large size. The price of this is 599. I have sizes in this small, no, I have medium, large and double XL. So this is the size. And this is the back side. It has resin. But you cannot machine wash this. You just need to soak it in water and dry it. This is also very good product. I have many colors and many designs available. In case you like it, take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. In case you are looking for a resin in a quick dry, we have those also. This is how the quick dry resin looks like. It's kind of a velvet material on the top and resin behind. This is good for daily use. The price of this is 180 rupees. This is in small size. If you don't like this velvet one, we simply have a normal resin also. This is how the resin looks like. I have colors in this. It's plain one. I hope you can see it. We have a diaper changing mat also. It's quite big in size. The price of this is 475. So there is a fabric on the top and a resin behind. And they are given velcros. So you know you can remove the resin also. So when you want to use just the resin, you can use the resin. And when you want to use the cloth side, you can use the cloth side. This is machine washable. You need to remove the resin and just wash this fabric. I have many prints in this as well. The price of this is 475. If you don't want a detachable resin, I have that also. The resin is stitched to this cloth. The price of that one is 450. I think I have that to show you. This is how it looks. So the resin is stitched and it has been given a light cushioning. This also can be used as a diaper changing mat. Yes, I'll share my number. I have put it in the comments and I have pinned the number also. For those who can't see the comments, I can share the number. My number is 93251-83128. I need to show you some sets also. Since it's summer, we have sets for boys and we have frocks for girls also. This is how the vest is. It's in sleeveless and it has a shorts. So I have sizes in this from 0 to 3 months up to 2 years. This is for 310. Many options are available in this. Since we are running out of time, I'll show a few. These are sleeveless vests with shorts. This is very good for summers, very good quality and very light on pocket. The price range starts from around 200 to 400. This is in stripes. I hope it's clear. This one is for 200. We also have some in half sleeves. This can be worn casually also. This is how the t-shirt looks like. The price of this is 449. These are the shorts. These are very good. All of them are from the brand Olipop. Olipop is a very famous brand. It's an Indian brand. We don't prefer Chinese products. We always, make it a point to buy Indian products. This is how the backside looks like. This one is priced at 449. The size I'm showing is L size. This can be used from 6 months to 12 months. I'll show you some frocks also. We have in cotton, we have them in hosiery cotton. All are good for use in summers. This is a frock. This is for 360 rupees. This is another one. I have sizes available in this as well. You can ping me on my number and I'll really be happy to share all the options that I have. This is in pink color. We have predefined baby sets also like this. These are very good for gifting. The price of this is 499. It has a vest, shorts, cap, face napkin and mittens and booties. So I hope it's clear. This is another bath set that we have. This one is for 680 rupees. We have colors in this. This also has vest, shorts, napkins, towel. This is another one. This is for 990. This also has mitten, booties, blanket, vest, shorts and I think a baby cap also. So these are very good gifting solutions. We also have some soft toys. This is a unicorn. This one is for 499. We have a mermaid too. This one is also for 499. Since we are running out of time, I wanted to show some belts also that we have. These ones are for 50 each. I have colors in this. If you can see, these are the colors. These ones are also for 50 each. They all are covered with fur, so it doesn't prick the baby in the head. We have ones with frills also. I hope you can see them. These are very good for newborn babies. These are priced at 50 rupees. These one are priced at 60 rupees. This one is with sequins. These are also priced at 60 rupees. Many color options available. These are for 30 each. It has a bow. These are for 50 each. These are also in net, stretchable and with furry bows. These are also for 75 rupees. These are royal family inspired fascinators. I would like to show how they are to be worn. You can simply add a clip also, and this has a belt. This is how it will look, and you need to just fold it. It's very royal. I think these can be used by babies also, and for girls up to around 3 or 4 years. They are very cute. These are the color options. I have a brown, a beige one, a pastel shade in pink, a dark pink, a baby pink, and a green one. We have many options in clips also. You can ping me for that. In case you want to gift it for someone, we can make a nice platter out of it with all the colors, and we can pack them nicely. Even that is a very good gifting solution. I would like to also show a few pieces that we've displayed. These are frocks. Some of them are rompers. This is in shorts and t-shirt. We have sizes available in this. The price of this is 845. Yeah, and I just forgot to show a breastfeeding pillow also. That is also a very useful product. So first time mommies might require this because we are new to breastfeeding. This is how you need to wear it, and you can place the baby here. It has a pocket also to keep, and this is how you can place the baby. It's very useful, and it will not give you a back pain since it has a support behind also. It personally helps me a lot. I used to use this a lot. The price of this is 1100. There's another version of this which doesn't have this back support, and it has a belt in the front. Even that is also a very good breastfeeding pillow. Sorry, I have not been able to see all the comments because the camera was really far away from me. I would definitely read the comments post the live. I'll reply to each one of you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all the support. If you like our products, please do get in touch with us. Also, please follow on Instagram and tag as many new mommies or someone who recently had a baby. We have products up to 2 years. So I also forgot, just last product I'll show. We have comb sets also. These are for $2.99. We have milk bottle also. It comes with a rattle. This is a milk bottle. It's 300 ml. The price of this is 250 rupees. And we have a sipper also. This is also 300 ml. This is for 2.99. We also have baby cosmetics in Mom's Co. I hope you can see them. These are very good products. I personally use them, and more importantly, this is an Indian brand. So I promote this product. Also regarding hampers, today I have not been able to show you the hampers because we customize them, and as and when we make them, we ship them immediately. So I don't have anything to show at the moment. But yes, we can make really nice hampers. You can get in touch with us. You can send us pictures also if you like anything and you want to get it done for gifting also. You can pick any of these products from the wide range that I have showed you, and you can customize it. For hampers, at least I would need around 2 to 3 days so that we don't make it in a hurry, and they will be very fine quality hampers. And If you want to gift it individually also, we can gift pack it for you. Packing charges for hampers is extra, but for gift packing we don't charge anything. I forgot to show some muslin napkins also. These are also very good. The handkerchiefs are very nice. This is how they are. If you buy one, it's for 75 rupees. If you buy 5, they are for 300 rupees. So we provide a discount if you buy 5 or more. We have many print options available in this. I hope you can see them. This is in elephant print. This is in cactus print. Yeah, Surbhi, you can ping me on my number, and you can I have also pinned my number. We are based out of Pune. Please, if you need to order something, please take a screenshot. I'll save the live video for you, and you can take a screenshot later on, and please send it to me on WhatsApp. We are not taking any live booking at the moment because reading the comments and showing all the products is really difficult. So please, I would request you, please take screenshots and send it to me on WhatsApp. And please be patient with my replies, since I don't have a team. I'm the only one who's handling everything, of course with some help from my husband. But yes, I'll surely get in touch with each one of you and reply. Thanks a lot. We had a great time to show all the lovely products, and I hope you had a great time watching it too. Thank you so much, Arj and Annie. Thank you for encouraging me to do the live. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. Bye.